बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वकफ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद। क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इन्ना अर्सलनाका शाहिदन व मुबश्शिरन व नज़ीरा लितुमिनु बिल्लाहि व रसूलिही व तुअज़्ज़िरूहु व तुवक्किरूहु व तुसब्बिहू बुक्रतन व असीला। क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ला युमिनु अहदुकुम हत्ता अकूना अहब्बा इलैहि मिन वालिदिही व वलदिही वन्नास अजमाइन। सदक़ल्लाहु मौलानाल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आले सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लम व सल्लि अलैहि। रब्बिश शरह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बे ज़िदनी इल्मा। बड़ी तस्कीन वाबस्ता है तेरे नाम के साथ या अल्लाह या रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। बड़ी तस्कीन वाबस्ता है तेरे नाम के साथ, नींद आ जाती है कांटों पे भी आराम के साथ। मेरे मोहतरम भाइयों, बुजुर्गों, दोस्तों, मैं रिस्पेक्टेड ब्रदर एल्डर एंड सिस्टर इन इस्लाम, अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। I quoted ayat mubaraka, simple meaning, no doubt. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, declares, we have sent a prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to you as a witness and also the giver of good tidings, good news of Jannah, success of this life and hereafter, as well as warner from the Jahannam. Therefore, O mankind, you should believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in His all attributes, as well as you believe this Rasul, especially Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and make sure you support him in his mission, as well as have great honor and respect and adab in your heart of this my beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Remember that ba adab ba naseeb, be adab be naseeb. We should respect our parents, respect our children, respect our spouse, respect the masjid, respect the Quran, and how we can respect the paying the haqqooq of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is real respect. Paying the haqq of Rasulullah sallam, real respect. Paying the haqqooq of makhlooq, paying the haqqooq of the wife and family, your employee and employer. This is the deen. This is Al-Islam. Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a right on us. We should believe He is a last prophet. No other prophet in any shape, in any form, not at all. He is the last prophet with the last holy book, Al-Quran. So, warning given in the ayat mubarakah, if you follow him, you will go to Jannah. If you will not follow him, there is chance going to Jahannam. He is the giver of good news of Jannah and a warner of be away from Jahannam. Therefore, our life should be according to this beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He is the role model. He is the role model for our 24-hour life in every respect, in every aspect. We should love him from the core of our heart. The sign of the love is this: more we obey, more a person, Muslim, obey him. This is a sign of the love. Otherwise, it will be like a lip service. Daddy say, my son, bring me water. You say, okay, all right. I love you, Dad. I love you, Dad. Bring me water. But he does not bring the water. So make sure, more we love Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, more we should obey him. More we obey, this is a sign of love Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And success of this life and the life hereafter lies in obeying Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala in the way, in the tariqah, in the sunnah of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Now, how Sahaba Karam used to love him? Great. One Sahabiya, he brought his newborn baby, very young baby, and Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was going to jihad. He offered his baby. Ya Rasulullah, my husband is not here. I have no husband. I have only my baby to offer you for your mission. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, what I will do the baby? Small baby, what I'll do? She said, yes, whenever any enemy attack on you with a sword, so present my baby in front of the sword. Look. Maybe he feels ashamed also. I don't care. I have nothing else. My baby. This was the love of the Sahaba Karam. Sahabiya. Look here. Hazrat Usman Ghani Radiallahu Ta'ala Anhu. One time he invited the Prophet to the dinner. And he followed the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He was counting the footsteps, the beloved footsteps of the Prophet, how many footsteps he take to my home. 200, 300, whatever it is. He counted it. Soon Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, as a guest, reached Hazrat Usman Radiallahu Ta'ala Anhu home. He freed so many slaves equal to that number. समझाई बात हुई। नबी की आमद पर नबी के जितने कदम उस्मान गनी के घर तक उठाए, उतने गुलाम इस खुशी में हजूर मेरे घर आए हैं, गुलाम आज़ाद कर दिए। May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us such kind of love. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Imam Malik rahmatullah alayh, he never wore shoes in Medina Munawwara. He always walked to go to Masjid on the side of the street. Why? He was scared. Maybe white foot come on the footsteps of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. कहीं मेरे पाँव नबी के नक्शे कदम पे ना आ जाएं। Muhammad bin Ismail Bukhari rahmatullah alayh, he wrote every hadith after shower. Bukhari Shareef. This is the respect. Imam Malik rahmatullah, when he used to do dars, he used to take shower and new clothes and perfume. And every day he used to give dars hadith and he used to wear new clothes. And after wearing the clothes, evening time, he used to give away to the poor people. This is Adbe Hadith. Habiba radiallahu anha, a beloved wife of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One time his father Abu Sufyan came and bedding was spread there. So soon he entered. So she unfolded the bistar, the bedding. His father said, "What? Why you did it?" She said, "No, you are not eligible to sit on the bed of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Once Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he was coming in the street to come to the masjid. And Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in the masjid giving sermon, khutbah. So he told one person in the masjid, "Ijlis, sit down." This ijlis sound came to the ear of Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, who was in the street. He sat down there right away. Look. Though it was not for him command. This is called love. This is called obedience. The obedience of Allah and Rasul is the ruh, spirit of the deen. Allahu Akbar. Abdul Rashid Gangohi rahmatullah alayh, great muhaddis, he had eyes problem. So somebody gave him surma from Medina Munawwara. So he started putting surma every night. People stopped and doctor said, "Don't do it." He said, "No, I cannot." And one time, some Haji came and he gave a gift of rumal, from Medina Munawwara to Maulana Abdul Rashid rahmatullah alayhi ko. So unhone, as a love, he kissed the rumal, put on that rumal on the eyes. The person, there one person, I will say Khushka, he said, "Hazrat, what are you doing? This is made of China. Why are you kissing it? This is made of China." He said, "Isko Madine ki hawa to lagi hai na." The air of Medina has touched this rumal, that I am kissing it. You understand? This is the love. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with such love. More we have love of Rasulullah sallallahu, easy to obey him. If we love our wife, we will obey. Very simple, very simple. The wife we don't love, really, we will make all excuses, right? If we love her, even she had told me, "Yeah, bring ice cream," I will bring ice cream, right? Coming home. But if I don't love her, even she send message, "Please bring ice cream," I will say, "I forgot." Yes. Obedience according to the love. Again, let me tell you, more we make Darood Shareef, more we follow the Sunnah, Zahiran and Batinan. This is a sign of love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Love of Rasul and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a criteria of the success in this life and life hereafter. Darood Shareef, to inculcate more love in the heart, maximum Darood Shareef, especially on Friday. When we forget anything, make Darood Shareef. You will remember it. You are on the journey. Forgot you don't have any instrument. You forgot the way. Misguided. Start making Darood Shareef. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala barakat of Darood Shareef will guide you on the right path. We are sick. Read Darood Shareef 1,000 times. Blow on the water. Drink the water. Best medicine. There's a beautiful habit in Arab people. When two Arab brother start arguing, if third is there, but he will say, Sallu ala Nabi. Then both people start saying, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. They stop fighting. Whenever your wife is angry, tell her, honey, Sallu ala Nabi. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. And when you are angry, I will advise my sisters, tell your husband, Sallu ala Nabi. Start making Darood Shareef. No more fighting. Why? Salawat al-Nabi is full of blessing and rahmat. Why? The salawat ala who? Rahmat lil alameen. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with a true and practical love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We should bring maximum sunnah in our social life, in our personal life, in our political life, in our home life. Ameen, summa ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Jazakallah khair. Shukran kaseera. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah. Jazakallah khair.